Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is weeping purple willow. It's a Salix purpurea, and unlike all of our other Salix purpurea types, this one doesn't want to grow straight up. It weeps to the ground. And as you know, the purpureas can look very pretty in a hedge in the summer. So I think we'll probably stake this. This is we planted this last spring, so it's just all new growth, but we'll probably leave one branch here and stake it to see how it looks when it weeps. Just looking at the color of the stems here, it kind of resembles Salix purpurea crossed with daphnoids. So maybe it's a sport or a version of that just has a weeping characteristic. I'm not sure how the weeping habit would affect its basketry qualities or its the weaving properties, but there may be some impact on it. Perhaps the rods are more slender or more easy to work with. And like we mentioned in all our videos, willows are really one of the easiest trees to grow. As long as you have water and sun, you just take a cutting. Like you can see here, this is the cutting that we planted a few months ago, and it is growing just fine. We do supply quite a bit of water underneath the ground cloth here we use drip tape, but it gets a lot of water and it gets a lot of sun, and that's really all that willow needs, and they'll do just fine. This is weeping purple willow. It's all, if you're familiar with Salix crossed purpurea crossed daphnoids, if you're familiar with Salix purpurea crossed with daphnoids, you'll recognize this, except it just has a weeping habit. So we're going to see what we can do with it, and we'll share that with you in the future.